Whether you have a fitness coaching business or you want to start one, this video is going to change your life because I'm about to break down the most scalable online fitness coaching business model on planet freaking Earth. This stuff took me from working at a 9 to 9 as a personal trainer at LA Fitness, taking buses to work, just scraping by to make $3K a month, to scaling my own fitness coaching business to over $50,000 per month. And this coaching company does up to $200,000 per month. And I was able to make $10K a month in just 30 days using the same exact system. So this shit changed my whole life. So the model I'm about to break down to you guys for 100% for free has helped over 200 fitness coaches quit their 9 to 5 and scale anywhere between $10,000 to $50,000 and even more per month. The crazy part is it's so simple. It's so simple, but most coaches overlook it completely. It just goes right over their head. I call it the Client Accelerator Formula. At the core of scaling any business is leverage. This is absolutely key to growing successful businesses, being able to increase what you're worth per unit in time. Leverage means that your income is not directly tied to your time. You're not getting paid per hour, and instead, you're able to get paid what you're worth. You see, most fitness coaches or personal trainers start with working with people one-to-one, whether that's on Zoom, at the gym, whatever the case is, and this model caps your income. Or if you're working any career job, your income is capped because you're trading your time for money. Even salaries are capped. And you only have so many hours in a day, which means you can only have so many clients, which means you only make so much money. The one-to-one model has a hard ceiling. It is broken. And if you cannot accept this, you're just okay with living with an average mediocre income. And eventually, I can promise you, you're going to get burnt out. I know that you love personal training, I do too, and I love going to the gym, but it's not gonna give you the financial flexibility that you want. Even if you're charging $20 per hour with 20 client hours per week, you're capped at 16K per month. And honestly, what trainer do you know that's working in person that's making 16K per month? It's like 1% of the 1% of the 1%. And most trainers aren't getting 200 hourly. And God forbid the client doesn't show up, they cancel, or you take a vacation, you do not get paid. And that's if you're fully booked with perfect retention, which is not going to happen. So let's be real for a second. That's probably not going to work. And then you might think courses. What if I create this course through school or a community? And that sounds great, but the truth is they have terrible completion rates. Only 3 to 7% of people finish courses. And I can tell you because I've created like 50 courses at this point. Most people just don't do them. And no completion means no results, no testimonials, and no referrals, and people talking shit about your business that it sucks, which means you build a brand and your brand is built on shit. And if your brand is built on shit, well, it's gonna be really hard to get customers. So none of these options really give you true scale without sacrificing your life or your dignity, right? Your clients' results. You're not gonna feel good selling a pile of dog shit that doesn't get your clients' results. Am I right? If that is what you want, then this video probably isn't for you. I don't wanna work with people like you anyways. Now, the way that the Client Accelerator Formula model works is by the following. First, you create a 12-week program. You're gonna price it at $1,500. And this is a complete transformation, my friend. So you're gonna use Trainerize for workouts, nutrition, and accountability. It's very easy to set up. If you click below, you can find a link to a video where I show you a tutorial on how to set up programs using it. I promise you, you can get a program set up in the next 2 to 4 days. It's not difficult. Ideally, you're looking to onboard 5 clients at the same time if you're just beginning your online business. And if you have trouble finding clients, just hang on a sec. I'm gonna get there. I'm gonna show you guys how to get clients in this video as well. The next piece of this model is to run a 60-minute group coaching call per week. This is where the leverage comes in, where you're able to coach and give value to many people instead of just one-to-one. The key here is one-to-many, not one-to-one. Now, not only is this perceived as more value from your clients, but many times it motivates everyone to stay consistent. You're gonna start to see the magic happens, and I'm gonna explain why in a second. Now, on top of workouts, nutrition, and accountability, and the group calls, you're also going to give each client a 15-minute weekly one-to-one check-in call. This is where you hold them accountable, make sure that there's any iterations that need to be changed, that they're changed, and you make sure that the client is getting results. In terms of the business model, it's really that simple. I've been running this same model for a few years, and the number one most common mistake I see is just simply lack of communication between you and your clients. One of the most common ways to avoid this is to start a community with an accountability channel. I prefer using WhatsApp for fitness offers because WhatsApp is super engaging, everybody knows how to use it, and pretty much everybody already has WhatsApp downloaded. So it's really easy to transition into a WhatsApp community. So do everything you can to get your clients to send their wins and point out other people's transformations. When your clients post wins, it's gonna motivate all the newbies or people struggling to wanna hit those same exact goals. Additionally, it's gonna help them believe in your program more and trust you more. This will greatly increase your clients' morale and quite honestly take a lot of the work off your shoulders, because what happens is your clients start to coach your clients. They start to ask Susie, how did this work for you? And Susie starts to tell her, hey, here's how I overcame this one specific challenge. So it takes some of the work off your shoulders, as well as keeps your clients accountable and staying on track. And as we know, accountability and consistency is the main challenges we face as fitness coaches. I know many of you watching this are like, how do I coach clients online if they never do the work? Part of the reason is most of you guys undercharge. The second reason is you just don't know how to create a community and accountability aspect in your business. And if you can get your community doing that part for you, not only is it gonna save you tons of hours, but your clients are going to get way better results. Additionally, you're going to use all those transformations, testimonials, and all the social proof that they're posting for marketing material to blow up your business even more. Now, this has all been great, but check this out. Instead of 15 separate long hour sessions, and that's not even counting driving to the fucking gym and talking to your boss and et cetera, and giving your boss half of the money, which we all probably don't want to do, you're doing one 60-minute group call plus 15-minute check-ins with each individual client. Dude, that's only 5.25 hours per week total, approximately, not even, it's like 5 hours. In comparison to 15 hours of one-to-one sessions, you do the math on how much more leverageable and scalable that is. That's what leverage means, getting paid the same amount for 5 hours of work that you would be getting paid for 15, 20, 40 hours of work, and that's at $200 per session, assuming that you're charging that much, which most of you guys aren't. So the crazy part is, not only are your clients getting better results because of the group dynamic and the one-to-one coaching, but if we did a little bit of quick math, the average trainer makes $30 to $50 per hour after the gym takes their money, and so on and so forth. With this, you're averaging $375 per hour if you were to calculate and crunch down the math. And guess who takes home all that money? Not Joe down the street, not the owner of the gym, and it's definitely not me. You take all the money. Now, Stanford University found that group coaching participants lost 3 times more weight than people just going solo dolo. So there's literally studies showing that group coaching is far more effective than one-to-one alone. So why not? This happens because of 3 things. Number 1 is social accountability. When clients commit in front of their peers, the follow-through jumps by a whopping 85%, which is a crazy number. 2 is collective problem solving. So your clients are gonna learn from each other's experiences, not just from you. Sometimes, for example, we have 300 personal trainers in our community. There might be trainer A struggling with sales and trainer B who's really strong at sales, and trainer A will go to trainer B to learn how to do sales, so role play, and in the next call, bang, they make $2,000. You see where I'm going with this? So collective problem solving. Your clients learn from the other clients' mistakes and experiences. Number 3 is normalizing struggle. You know, seeing others face similar challenges reduces not only the shame, but also increases the openness. And I know this might be hard for you to understand because you're already fit, but you know, many people have these false beliefs that like they're a special snowflake, like for some reason, they're the only person in the world that can't lose weight. So when you normalize a struggle by being around other people being in the same exact struggle, it allows for the customer to see like, hey, there are other people going through the same challenges and I can get through it. Your clients don't just get you, they get an entire support network that pushes them further than they go alone. You know what they say, your network is your net worth. It's the same thing with weight loss. So it's the same thing with weight loss. For hanging around a bunch of people who are focused on their fitness goals, they're more likely to be fit as well. So here's your exact game plan, and you're gonna implement this as soon as you're done with this video. What I want you to do is design a fixed length program, 12 weeks. Keep it simple, and that's it. You don't need 3 different programs. You don't need a 16-week or 1 year. Just focus on the beginning stages. And it's gonna have a specific outcome, like the 12-week metabolic reset. For example, what you're going to do is you're gonna create your base training and nutrition templates using Trainerize with modification options. You can completely customize everything in there. It's the best application I've ever seen, okay? So use that to create your nutrition, exercise, everything that your customers would need. Next thing is you need to create a weekly Zoom cadence. right? Every week you're gonna hop on that Zoom call and you're gonna coach your clients in that Zoom call. Once again, I would recommend WhatsApp, but you can also use Facebook groups or school for community hosting platforms. However, I do know for a fact that you're gonna be less engaged in those groups. Now, you're gonna price this between $1,000 and $1,500 for the full program. If you're new to sales, you have the belief that no one will pay you that much, then start with $1,000 and gradually increase your prices. If you're stronger with sales, you have bigger balls, then charge $1,500 for the program. Trust me, people will pay it. You're gonna launch this with a clear start and end dates, meaning you're gonna only opening enrollments 3 to 4 times per year. So to create that scarcity and urgency with your audience. And honestly, the key to this whole entire model is boundaries, right? Your clients get access during those scheduled calls and check-ins, not 24/7 in your DMs, or else that's just a hellstorm waiting to happen. The clients that I've helped implement this have scaled past $10,000 months within 90 days, with many of them hitting 50K plus within a few months. Just think, if you're constantly on Zoom with clients, or you're training people one-to-one, do you really think it's that scalable? Is that what you call leverage? And as I believe Grant Cardone said, if you can't make money while you sleep, you're gonna work until you die. Just imagine being able to serve 3 times as many clients while working a quarter of the hours, far less the amount of hours. And your clients getting 10 times the better results because they have the community, they have the accountability, they have the customized nutrition, they have the workouts, they have everything they need to make a complete lifestyle transformation and drop the body fat. That's not just more money, but that's more impact, that's more freedom, that's more fulfillment, that's more purpose in your own life. Now, if you want the complete blueprint for implementing this model, what I want you to do is go in the description somewhere and click for the free training. It will walk you through step by step how to set up your business model and how to scale it. If not, but you got value from this and you're digging the content, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and hit me with a comment below. Hit me with your biggest challenge or your biggest struggle. I respond to all my comments. I'll either send you a free resource, another free training, or just directly respond to your question. I'd be happy to help. So if you have any questions, let me know and drop it in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.